Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your Google account has access to Gemini image tools. Enable 2FA so you can use advanced features. Next, collect reference images and craft a clear prompt that includes style, composition, and size. For example, 1024 x 1024, high contrast, cinematic lighting. Also choose output format like PNG versus JPG and a color profile. Once done, open the Gemini image creator, sign in, and create a new project so you're ready to input prompts and images without interruption. You now write the working prompt. Start with the subject, then add style, mood, and camera details, for example, portrait of scientist, soft Rembrandt lighting, 85mm lens. After that, tweak advanced controls like guidance scale to balance creativity versus fidelity, set iterations for refinement, and optionally lock a seed for reproducibility. Upload reference images and use masking to preserve areas. Once the parameters match your intent, run a preview iteration to check composition and color before committing to a final render. You complete the workflow by exporting the final render at full resolution and checking details at 100%. Confirm color, edges, and facial features. If artifacts appear, use inpainting to repair specific areas or increase iterations and rerun with a refined prompt. Make sure to save the exact prompt, seed, and settings as a preset for reproducibility. One key troubleshooting tip: if outputs drift from references, lower creativity, guidance, and reapply the reference image more strongly so the model follows constraints closely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.